Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's The Click Show review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some profit and commissions have recently come in. Live here in my Gmail account. This is where I get all my notifications for my latest referrals and commissions with Warrior Plus. So the Click Show, the first two commissions here, one is for $23.67. The referral paid for the yearly subscription, and that saves them. They get 2 months free with that offer, and they also upgraded to put two offers into the Click Show, and that's a $6 commission there. So $29.79 in commissions. But more importantly in this video, what I want to show you is with the Click Show, how you can get Autopilot buyers traffic. So it's a new offer. I'm going to show you what you get as a member, and then I'm also going to show you what you get as an affiliate, because I want you to be able to get your traffic for free. Become an affiliate, promote the offer. You'll see from my records here that I'm already in profit. It's $4.90 a month. So these commissions I've paid for several months of my membership. And also, I want to share with you a strategy that I follow to scale up. What this does, it gives you a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. So what that means is that when you you become an affiliate of the Click Show, so you've got to be a member first to become an affiliate. But when you become an affiliate and you promote the Click Show, then you can take a percentage of those profits and you can reinvest those into buying more traffic. So you're no longer buying traffic to promote the offer, to promote your primary business through your job income or your wages, if you're like me and you've got a full-time job, or your savings in your bank account. And then a bit later on in the video, I want to show you, I'm going to show you some proof of commissions and how to earn thousands of dollars with Warrior Plus traffic offers. Traffic is an evergreen niche. I always recommend you promote traffic to at least get your traffic for free, but it's an evergreen niche that everyone needs and will always need. So I always recommend you promote traffic. And there will be an income disclaimer in the description. So everything that's starred on here is not making any income claims or guarantees. I'm just sharing with you what works for me and the opportunity you have to promote these offers as an affiliate. So let's go into have a look at what the Click Show is. It's a brand new offer by Eric Rozak, and he's put here, do you want direct access to the best buyer traffic online? So there's a short video here on the home page. The link in the description will take you to this page. Eric introduces himself within this short video here, and all you do to get added to the Click Show buyers traffic rotator is you put your first name into here, your email into there, and that will take you to the buyers page. And if you don't want to buy straight away, you're going to get some emails from Eric as well. He'll follow up with you doesn't bombard you. You get a daily email, and he'll help you out. There's other offers that he promotes as well if you want to have a look at those. So you can also click on here and see what other members are already promoting. And you can connect with him on Facebook. And here's Eric Rozak. He's the owner of the product. So let's have a look now at the price. So as a member, it's $4.99 per month. So I think it's great value. It just works out at just over $1 a week, and you're going to be putting your offer in front of real buyers. And it's also a great way to automate, excuse me, a great way to automate your traffic. He has got an option to pay yearly, which is what my referral did. That's $49.90 for the year, and that will give you 2 months free. And then there is an option at $12.99 here. That's a one-time payment and the product there is called the Click Show Second Click. So what that enables you to do is put 2 offers to be promoted within the Click Show system. So let's have a look now as an affiliate, what you can get as an affiliate. Oh, first of all, let me show you the daily email that you get. So as a member, you will get a daily email. I really like these emails. I click on them more or less every day because you come down here and these are the offers. These are members. So you click on here and it says each time you click above, you'll get an opportunity to gain an insight into what others are offering, learn how they are marketing their products or opportunities. So it's a great way to keep up to date with traffic offers, software offers, lead generation, business opportunities, and also a great way um, to network with other buyers. So you get a daily email to click on, and then your offer will go into this rotator here as well. I just clicked on it there by accident, but that's an offer that's going to come up there. It's not loading very quickly because I'm filming the video. So let's have a look now at the next part of the video here. Let's go over here, and now I want to show you how you can really scale up and go to the next level. First of all, I'll show you some proof. So I'm live in my Warrior Plus account here. I'm going to just get rid of the click show, and we're going to go into all time in my Warrior Plus account. The great thing about Warrior Plus is you get lots of stats and data on, and you can see how you're progressing. This is going to load up now. So this is my all-time Warrior Plus account, live in the account here, and you'll see that I've sold $13,240 of traffic products. The majority of these are Autopilot buyers traffic offers. I'd say probably about 85 to 90% of these are Autopilot buyer traffic offers. And the commissions, in the commissions column over here, I'm going to give you a strategy I use on how to get these results. $6,474 in commissions, and items products sold 1,509. Now what you'll see here with this strategy, you'll see down the right hand side this little circular arrow, and that denotes how long each member has been paying every single month for the membership of the offer. So I pay every single month. I'm a member of each and every one of these. So this is where I get my offers in front of buyers. 12 months in a row there, 11 months in a row there, 18 months in a row there, 8 months in a row. And the gaps here that you'll see are where new members are coming in. So any gaps that you see here are new members. And if you look down the right hand side, you'll see all these monthly recurring commissions coming in. So 21 months in a row. You get a high retention because the members are happy. They're getting Autopilot buyers traffic 15 months in a row. And a lot of the members in these offers are also have only gone down there. I've only gone down there 50 rows. I could go on. I can go down to 250 rows, but just want to show some proof there of results. So what I did, I created a strategy, and this strategy is in this video here. Now, I did name the video "How to Get Your Buyer Traffic for Free," but it's a lot more than that. It's about how to get into profit with your traffic. It's about how you can get thousands of existing buyers in front of your offers, how you can get thousands of new buyers that are coming online in front of your offers. So the strategy is 3 simple steps. I've outlined it in this video here, and if you're interested in building up your Warrior Plus account, earning monthly residual income and multiple income streams with those offers, then that strategy is there for you to follow. There's also more information on the page as well if you want to have a look at that. But I recommend with this strategy here, get started with the click show. And I did start with just $5 and I built that up over time. So, excuse me. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me on how to make money online, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about the Click Show, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. Put my email address in the description. If you want any mentoring or help from me, then just contact me through that email address in the description. The link in the description will take you to this page here, and the page I showed you over here will be pinned to the first comment below the video you're watching now. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot and bye for now.